Hello everyone, introducing to you the brand new TinyChange 2023 Journal Planner. So the Journal Planner comes in a cool looking box, it's white color, and let's open the box to see what's inside. Okay, so here is a planner. The box and the planner looks quite the same. So this is a hardcover planner, as you can see, with green color on the left edge, and it's written 2023 Journal Planner by TinyChange. This is the back side. This also has a pen loop and an elastic band over here, which you can put like this. So let's get inside the planner and see what's inside. Okay. So this is the opening page, Be Yourself, the TinyChange 2023 Journal Planner, some tips to achieve your goals and habits to enhance your life, your goals for 2023, the habits that you want to build this year, 2020 calendar and key events, the ideal week design, the ideal day design, the mood tracker for the year, exercise tracker for the year, how do you do month planning and how do you do week planning, the explanation and the details, and then the start of the actual planning pages. So this is how you start a month. This is for January. There's a master plan for January. You plan what are the key things that you're going to focus on for the year. And then there's a calendar section and there's a habit tracker. After that, you have the key tasks that you need to complete this month, divided into 4 different categories. You have an expense tracker and you have a meal planner. So this pattern repeats for every single month from January to December. All these planning sections are there. So you do the planning of the month up ahead at the beginning of the month, and then you get into daily and weekly planning. Now this is a repeating weekly planning view, and this is a completely new format introduced by TinyChange. As you can see, let me zoom it up a bit so that you can see it clearly. So this left side every week is a planning section which is divided into days, which has planning and writing spaces. You also have one common to-do list which is for the week. It can even be used for each particular day, right? So there's a to-do list and a planning space, which is a regular planning thing. On the right side is where the entire excitement lies, right? So this space is called the journaling space. So this is there for every single week like this, right? You have 52 different weeks, and each journaling page has a question. So this, for January 1, it is, when was the last time you felt truly alive and what did it feel like? What were you doing on that occasion? What can you do to feel like that more often? And it's a dot grid page. You can write down or journal your thoughts using this prompt as a question, and then there's a quote which is connected to this particular question and an illustration. This is a handmade illustration, right? So this is how the planning pages are structured for the weekly and the daily planning pages. You have different question that covers different aspects of your life. So as and when you progress across the year, it introduces you into different things which will make you think and introspect, right? And journal down. So planning on the left side and journaling on the right side. Each week has a different question and a different illustration that goes along with it, as you can see. I'm just quickly going through the pages so that you can get an idea. Right, this is for February, this is for March, this is for April. So every week has these weekly spreads with the illustrations. So once you're done with all the planning pages and the weekly, daily spreads, you have the My Lists section, which has interesting quotes, things I want to buy this year, favorite moments, key lessons I learned, tiny changes I made this year, and then the sticker pages. You have gold foil stickers, you have poster stickers, icon stickers, etc. And then you have some free pages. At the end of it, you have a pouch where you can keep some of your extra items, and that's it. So this is the new journal planner by TinyChange. if you're somebody who's interested in journaling your thoughts down, and if you believe that you love writing and you want to note down the important things that happens in your life on a day-to-day basis, but you don't know what to start, right? So this is a perfect product for you. It will give you prompts that will explain some of the areas where you probably can focus on.